Before buying a digital tape measure, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Rockseed Laser Measure 50M. Let's kick things off with the Rockseed Laser Measure 50M. Priced at just $15.98, this compact device really caught my eye with its dual bubble levels. If you want accuracy and value, this is worth a serious look. This device boasts high accuracy with a laser precision of up to plus or minus 1/16 inch, measuring distances up to 165 feet. For those of you who've struggled with traditional tape measures, this means no more guessing games. Plus, it has a large backlit screen, which is a lifesaver for those dimly lit areas. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're trying to measure in a tight spot or a poorly lit room, being able to see the display can save you time and frustration. Now, some people complained about the build quality, saying it feels a bit plasticky. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's genuinely a solid option for anyone who needs a handy measuring tool without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just need an occasional measurement at home. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty option to withstand daily job site use, but for the price, it's a great deal. Now, if the build quality of the Rockseed bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust design.
Product number 2, Bosch GLM 100-23. The Bosch GLM 100-23 Laser Measure. This one's a bit pricier, but offers a ton of value. With a user-friendly layout and priced competitively, it's definitely caught the attention of many. This laser distance measure can accurately measure distances up to 100 feet within 1/16 inch, which is crucial if you need exact measurements for a project. It also features a backlit display, making it easy to read even in dark conditions. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working in a basement or attic, the last thing you want is a device you can't read. Plus, it's compact and fits easily in your pocket, making it super convenient. However, some users mention that the 2-button operation can be a bit confusing at first. I'll be real with you. While it might take a minute to get used to, once you do, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and portable measuring solution. Skip this one if you need extensive features, but it certainly offers great accuracy for everyday tasks. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more advanced features. Product number 3, Bosch GLM 16540 Blaze Pro. At $79.99, it's a bit of an investment, but for serious users, you might find it's worth every penny. This laser measure extends up to 165 feet and features an easy-to-read backlit display. It's designed for those who need to measure often and accurately. The real-time measurement mode is a standout feature. It automatically adjusts as you move closer or farther from the target. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working on installations or renovations, having immediate feedback can save you a lot of time. Plus, it can store up to 10 measurements, which is great for referencing previous work. Now, some users have pointed out that the device doesn't come with batteries included, which can be a hassle. But honestly, most measuring tools don't come with batteries, and the upfront cost is still reasonable given its performance. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or a serious DIYer needing accuracy and functionality. Skip this one if you require something for casual use, but it's a wise investment for serious measuring tasks. Now, if you're looking for something that combines both laser and tape measures, the next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Rockseed Laser Measure 328 feet. Another Rockseed product, but this time it's their laser measure with an impressive range of 328 feet, priced at $20.78. If you want flexibility in your measurements, this is definitely worth a look. With the same accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, you can easily switch between different units of measurement, which is super helpful depending on the project. It also has a backlit LCD and supports multiple measurement features like area and volume calculations. Here's why this matters. Whether you're measuring a room for flooring or calculating the volume of a space, having all this functionality in one device is a game changer. However, some users found the auto shutoff feature a bit too aggressive, turning off too quickly during use. But here's the thing, it's designed to conserve battery, and if you're actively measuring, you'll likely be using it constantly. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable measuring tool for various tasks around the house or on the job site. Skip this one if you need something with a longer battery life, but the price makes it a strong contender. Now, if you want something that combines traditional measuring with advanced technology, wait till you hear about the next one.
Product number 5, Fantic A10 Pro 2-in-1. We have the Fantic A10 Pro 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure. Priced at $69.99, it combines a 165-foot laser distance meter with a 9.8-foot measuring tape, which is pretty neat. This laser measure features an IPS color display showing both measurements clearly. The dual-axis electronic angle measurement is excellent for precision work, helping you avoid those annoying manual errors. Here's why this matters. If you're doing installations or renovations, being able to measure angles accurately can save you from costly mistakes. Plus, it has USB-C charging, which is a nice modern touch. That said, the combination of a laser and tape measure can make it bulkier than some might prefer. But honestly, if you're looking for versatility, this slight trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you work on diverse projects and want a single tool for multiple tasks. Skip this if you prefer a more streamlined device, but it's a fantastic option for those who appreciate functionality. To wrap up, we've seen some fantastic options today, from Rockseed's budget-friendly measures to Bosch's professional solutions, and the innovative Fantic A10 Pro. Each has its strengths and ideal uses, so pick the one that suits your measuring needs best.
So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Rockseed models to the more advanced Bosch and Fantic options, each digital tape measure offers unique features for different needs. Choose one that fits your style, and you'll be measuring with confidence in no time.